Over a year ago, I had a dream. What if I could make money on the internet? The thought of working from wherever I want, the idea of being my own boss, and the ability to have unlimited leverage and unlimited scale and reach on the internet, making money while I sleep, was so desirable, but it seemed so far out of reach. It seemed impossible. I started Googling, how do I start an e-commerce Shopify store? How do I start a YouTube channel? And then I would always start and then I would always quit. And then one day I watched a Graham Stephan video. He's a personal finance YouTuber here on the platform, of him showing his income. He made over $1 million solely from YouTube, not selling anybody anything, solely from ad revenue. I saw that and I said, I need to be in this game. He doesn't deserve it any more than you or I. So immediately that day, I started making YouTube videos. This was over 1 year ago. And I'm not gonna sit here and tell you it's easy. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you if you follow these 3 steps that I'm gonna share with you, and I do have 3 steps for you so that you can build your own platform, so that you can start making money on the internet. But I'm not gonna say it's easy. If you look at this right here, I've been making videos on YouTube for the last year straight. I've put out over 245 videos on this channel, and I'm about 150 days rather, straight putting out new content on the channel. It has been incredibly difficult. It's been mentally and physically draining. I've lost friends in the process, and at last, this channel has achieved monetization. In order to monetize your YouTube channel here on the platform, you need 4,000 watch hours. This is very difficult to do, and over 1,000 subscribers. He's a subscriber, by the way, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel by this point, make sure to subscribe now and destroy the like button. We are in a competition against the YouTube algorithm, and we're trying to beat some of the big players, so we need you to help. It takes 1 second. Destroy the like button now, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below with any questions or thoughts you have. If you don't know what to say, just comment your favorite emoji. I'm here to tell you that there's 3 things I've learned from putting out videos for the last 150 days straight on this YouTube platform. I wanted to make money online, and this is what I'm doing. The channel is finally monetized. It's taken so long. I just went in here today, actually. I applied to the YouTube Partner Program a couple days ago, and finally when I go into my channel, it says, you've been approved. Would you like to monetize? On all of my videos, I see the money sign, and now I get paid for every view going forward. This has been my dream. This has been something I've been working towards, and I'm here to tell you, if you have a goal, if you have a dream, it's absolutely possible. My videos aren't good. I have a ring light, I have a camera. I just started shooting in 4K, so I probably look good, but the videos aren't good. I don't use any special editing software. I use iMovie, and you don't need to be extraordinary. You don't need to know anything that other people don't. You just need to help people. Early on in my YouTube journey, I made personal finance videos. I tried to talk about things I had no clue about because I was trying to fake it till I make it. I made personal finance videos. I made e-commerce videos. I made videos on how to get girls. I'm not rich. I don't have a girlfriend, and I've never sold anything online. So why am I supposed to talk about that? And then one day I got advice. Hey Trent, you're pretty good at sales. You should talk about sales. I'm an account executive in software sales. I make about $140,000 a year selling software. This is my work from home setup. And I decided, yeah, let me build a community of like-minded salespeople who want to do more and be more in their own lives. And if you're following me on this, this is the exact formula you can follow. What do you know more about, and what can you start talking about? What do you actually like? I like sales. I've been doing it for 3 years. I did it for the first 2 years, mastering my craft, mastering cold calling, mastering all things prospecting, mastering how to find more success, how to structure my day, time management, how to manage money, all of that. I didn't talk to the world for over 2 years. I finally got good at something, and then I said, you know what? I have unique knowledge to share. I'm gonna make a channel. And I started talking about sales. Along the process, it's been very difficult. It requires a lot of time. I've made quite a few sacrifices. This is Friday. This is Friday evening. I'm not going out because I'm making a video, because I've committed to making videos each and every day until this channel reaches 100,000 subscribers. The first thing you need to know is that people are going to judge you. A lot of people don't follow that little voice in their head. A lot of people don't acknowledge or vocalize their dreams because they're concerned about what other people are going to think. Early on when I started making videos, nobody watched. There were no views, there was nobody here, there was nothing. So I was posting all of my videos on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, my Twitter, and Of course, some people watched, but mostly people made fun of me. Friends and family said, why are you doing this? Why are you putting yourself out there? Your videos aren't good. Why are you wasting so much time on this? And what I've realized over time is that when people criticize somebody else, so if you find yourself feeling judgmental, if you find yourself being jealous of someone else, it's most likely deeply rooted in your own sense of insecurity. So when I feel less because somebody else is doing more, it's because I'm inadequate. So if you're judging me or if you're judging other people, it's deep rooted in your own insecurity. So I realized, you know what? None of that matters. I can't control other people. I, of course, don't like criticism. A lot of people are going to say, well, Trent, how do you deal with people who don't like yourself or people make fun of you? I'm saying it never gets better, but you're going to start getting more admiration. You're going to start getting more praise. All you have to do is keep going. The second thing you need to do is, and this is why I pulled up this picture right here, dream big. Never lose sight of your goals. Let me ask you this. If you're going to go on a road trip and you don't know your end destination, you get in the car, what are you going to do? You're going to drive in circles. You don't know what you're going to do. Similar to life and your goals, if you have these grand aspirations, if you want things, you need to acknowledge them and you need to write them down. On these post-it notes right here and on a journal, I consistently write down what I want. I've been writing down that this channel will be 100,000 subscribers for a long time. I've been writing that down for weeks. We will get there. Believe me, it will happen. Dream big, never lose sight of your goals. The third and final thing you need to know is that it's all about the people. The only reason this channel has become monetized is because of you, because of your support. Thank you so much for watching. And when we see these athletes, when we see these creators, when we see these celebrities, why are they valued in society differently than other people? At the end of the day, they're all human beings. You're a human, I'm a human. It's because we give them attention. And it's all about people. Money follows attention. So if you have aspirations of starting your own channel, if you have aspirations of selling something online, if you have aspirations of reaching a high level in your career, never lose sight that it's all about the people. It's all about the one-on-one relationships and the way you make people feel. People won't remember what you said. People won't remember what you did. People will always remember how you made them feel. So the purpose of me making these videos is to hopefully entertain you, to inspire you, and to educate you with some knowledge to help you go make more money or do more or feel better about your life. That's the purpose of these videos. That's why I make them every day. That's why this channel is growing. That's why it will continue to grow. I thank you so much for your support. We wouldn't be here without you. And that's really all I wanted to say is the channel is finally monetized. This channel is in dedication to you. I really appreciate it. I feel more excited than ever. We're gonna keep pumping out videos. Make sure to satisfy the YouTube algorithm. Hit the like button now. Actually, smash the like button, drop a comment. Would love to hear from you. Feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn. If you don't know what to say, just comment an emoji. And of course, subscribe now. Share this with a friend who needs it. And you should start your own thing. What's holding you back? Your limiting beliefs. Go do it now. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.